Tian from Chumbaka, Melaka. In this video, I'm going to show you how to DIY your room intruder sensor at home. As you can see from my screen, we actually had our free online class last Wednesday. I know some of you might be very occupied with a lot of works and homeworks. So this video is recorded for you to watch and try out at home anytime. If you want to know more about our online class, you can like and follow our page Chumbaka Melaka in Facebook. Cut a crap and let's get started. First, you need to prepare a laptop with a webcam, Gmail and Google Drive account, and of course, a curious mind. Okay, let's go. First, you need to download the mBlock system at www.mblock.cc, and you will see something like this. You go to download. So you have to download mBlock 5. Okay? You will see a panda like this. If you are using Windows, just download it and then install it. For Mac, you choose the Mac and download it. Okay? Okay, after you have downloaded and installed it, you'll see an mBlock here. Click it to run. It takes some time. Yeah, here you go. You'll see the mBlock 5 offline version. Okay, first you go to this sprites here, then go to this extension, click it, and it comes out a lot of features for you to choose. And we go to this one, it's video sensing, edit. Okay, so after you have added it, you can see yourself here with the panda. Hello. Okay, and then we start to try out it. First, I pull out this into my block. When video motion is more than 10, then one will make any sound. Start the sound now. Let's see. See? You hear the sound. Okay. So you can change it to 100. See if any sound hurt. Nothing. Okay, maybe I try 50. And then if I'm not moving, there's no sound. So I move. See? Okay. If you don't want to hear this meow sound, you can actually add other sounds here. And then you go to add sound. Here are lots of sound, and I want to choose this one. Okay. Then you can choose from here. Let me see. So that means when someone passes by your camera, your webcam, it sounds like this. Okay. Next, we come to the second part. Go to the extension again. And then I want to choose this one, text to speech. And then add it. Then after you have added it, you can see the text to speech function. In the tab here, you click it and choose speak hello. See, I'm not moving.
Hello.
I move myself.
Hello.
Okay. You can change the word to get out. Okay.
Get out.
Get. Okay. So maybe I try something longer. Start off my room. And move. Okay, if you want to make the sound to alert yourself first, and then just pick anything, combine the blocks together.
Get out of my room. Get out of my room.
Okay, so that's it. The simple part for these two features. You can actually try out different things here. Let's see, we can set the voice, pull out, set the language. Maybe I set the language to Hindi style of speak. And then I set the voice to speak. Then I combine it together. So maybe I want to alert myself first. Oh, I change it to 100 first. Huh? Okay. Then I set the voice, set the language, and then I just speak. Okay, then I change to 50. See any voice? Nothing. So I try to move. Okay. My camera is not that sensitive anymore. I tap 10.
Get out of my room. Get out of my room.
Okay.
Get out of my room.
So that is the second part of it. Text to speech combined together with video sensing. And the last part, I want to know the time of who is coming into my room. So I try out this one, sensing, then click this one, current year. I want to show the hour and minutes and seconds. So I 3 times. You can actually duplicate it. Right click, duplicate. Okay, so you can change here. So I want to show hour, minutes, and second. Okay. This one I don't want to use first. Leave it here. And then the second thing we go to operators. You see this one, join apple banana. Then I join together. We try out this hour and minute first. Let's see what's going on. Okay, here you cannot link the block, and the next part you have to go to this one, look. Okay, so pull out this, say hello. Let's see, you see the panda here is saying hello. So I put out, I want to show the time. I pull into the hello. Let's see, so the time right now is 6:29 in the evening. So next, I want to join more together. I try out again, go to operator, join banana, I put in banana, and then I pull out this one, I join more together. Okay, then I have more spaces. Okay, let's see, yeah. See what time is it now? See? So, you see, the second is moving. I move. Okay, I try 100. See, is it moving? No, because no movement is sensed. Okay, I try 50. No movement is sensed. I try to move my hand. See? Yeah, it senses my movement. Okay, that's it. So now you can combine all the blocks together, then to come out the sound, speak, get out of my room, and then show the time. Okay, so I want to come out the sound first and then speak and then tell me the time. So I change to 10. Let's see.
Get out of my room. Get out of my room.
Okay? So that's all for this class, and you can actually try out different features in the block here. You combine it together and see what you can do. That's all for today. So please don't forget to follow our page, and you can continue tinkering your end block at home. It's offline. Bye-bye.